Focus on maintaining balance in your foot, glutes tight, elbows drawn in, keeping the dumbbells parallel to the ground as you descend into the squat position. Starting position, draw the shoulders back, feet hip width apart, pointed straight ahead, core nice and tight, glutes tight. We're gonna take the dumbbells and bring them up to our shoulders, keeping the elbows drawn in towards our body. We're going to sit into a squat position, pushing our butt back to the rear, keeping our weight distributed evenly through our foot before extending up towards the ceiling, rotating the dumbbells up, squeezing the glutes, and returning it back into starting position. That is 1 rep. We'll be performing 15 reps this set. And extend up. Great. Focus on maintaining balance in your foot, glutes tight, elbows drawn in, keeping the dumbbells parallel to the ground as you descend into the squat position. Excellent. Make sure you remember to breathe. Give me full extension at the top. Squeezing the glutes, very important. Squeeze the glutes to stabilize that spine. Keep your core tight. Five more. Great job, 5. Sit into it. Extend up, 4, 3, 2, and last one.